one of the Jeopardy contestants was talking about how they learn all the things they need to know to be able to answer all the Jeopardy questions. And what they're actually doing is creating visual pictures in their heads to help them memorize everything. Right.
Yep.
And so they sort of build these elaborate images to help them go deep on a topic. And so instead of having to recall all the words in a dictionary, they're just coming back to a single image that allows them to kind of understand what they need to know about that topic, which I think is an interesting thought. Whenever I have to do like a really prepared speech, I create sort of a really funny like visual hieroglyphics that are my notes that are going to help me memorize what I need to be able to say, because I am so visually wired that's the way that I'll often put the ideas together. It's like I kind of know that, you know, that I'll draw little pictures of myself, right? It's like, all right, so I'm talking about myself here, and then I need to remember this message that's going on, and then after that message I'm going to be saying, you know, A, B, and C, but it's a kind of funny shorthand that I use to be able to put that together. Find your inner 4-year-old. Anytime you've seen a 4-year-old, what do they enjoy most? Just digging into that box of crayons and going to town, right? And they don't color in the lines. They're just, but it's a method of exploring the world. And at some point that gets kind of beaten out of us, right? That it's like, oh no, now you need to work on your reading, your writing, your arithmetic, and colors. You know, like coloring with crayons is sort of declined out as a less important skill set, right? That people are like, well, you're never going to do anything with drawing as you move forward. And I kind of like one of my like core beliefs is that that drawing can actually be a method of communication, and to a point where for me it's kind of interchangeable with writing. That if I'm ever working with a bunch of people, I need to have some means of being able to share drawings with them, because otherwise we're not going to understand each other.